What is going on, everybody? It's your boy, Mr. Banks, coming at you live. And today we'll be going over my top secret to trading SPY that everyone forgets about or doesn't know and always gets wrong. But go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss any of this educational content I put out on a daily basis to make you a profitable trader. This is episode 5 of the live trade recaps series that I have going on. Let me go ahead and share the screen today. Now, we did bottom tick SPY. I'm going to show you exactly how we did it. Ended up taking 496 calls, 497, and it started rolling into 498, 49, 499, and 500 for an absolute insane day with the team. Let me get my screen share with you guys. Now, as you guys know, live trades taken in the Discord with the team. We always go over live trades. No hindsight here. These are live trades that are taken. Now, today, everyone had their eyes on the gap fill, right? Gap fill, gap fill, gap fill. Now it bounced before we finished that gap fill on SPY. So you got to ask, what is that secret? How do we bottom tick SPY today before the gap fill? You may ask. Well, my secret to you is going to be SPX. Now, I would always be watching SPX, especially when you're watching SPY. Why? Because SPX can hit a huge level that will also dictate SPY, right? SPY is the cash ETF of SPX, so it is a derivative of it. So that is why we should always be watching SPX when it comes to SPY, even if you're not trading SPX by itself. Why is that? There's big levels on SPX, and then it will move and SPY will move because of that, right? Because of these SPX levels, the cash derivative of SPX. Now, today, the gap didn't fill on SPY, but where did it fill? It filled on SPX. That is right. SPX gap filled while SPY did not. Now, you'll notice this when you start watching SPX while you trade SPY, you'll start notice SPX for say 5,000 is a major level. We keep bouncing off of it. We keep rejecting off of it. You'll see SPY get rejected. Big levels on SPX should always be watched and monitored, especially if you're trading SPY. Now, if this is new to you, it's going to change that game for you when you start trading SPY. So we filled the gap fill on SPX today. And that was definitely my first clue of, you know, where to take the entry, right? We filled the gap fill. Everyone was watching SPY, retail traders. I'm a retail trader, but everyone who's new to the game is constantly just SPY, 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 SPY. Watch SPX, watch the market as a whole. SPX had that gap fill. We also had an inversed head and shoulders on SPX, which was absolutely beautiful, which took us into highs there. Now looking at SPY, so the biggest secret is watch SPX, guys. Watch SPX when you are trading SPY. I guarantee you, watching that, understanding the levels, even if you don't trade it, is going to help you when it comes to trading SPY. Now let's go to SPY, right? We bottom ticked it today, but it didn't fill the gap fill. So again, we were watching SPX for that gap fill. The gap was filled, but if you were just watching SPY, another level that you guys could have watched today was simply Friday's demand, right? Friday's demand. So if we take a look, SPX filled the gap fill. But if we take a look here, we can see, what do you know? If we go like this, where did we bounce from? Well, on SPY, we bounced from a pretty big demand, right? All we did was come down into this demand. Yeah, the gap didn't get filled, but we're coming into a pretty heavy demand. And we can see right here, demand, some demand, sell through a supply, and retested it as supply into, and then we gapped above. So this is a breakout retest right into this big demand that was on Friday. So if you guys weren't even watching SPX, this was definitely a level to be watching, even if you were just watching SPY, right? I mean, you have to zoom out. The biggest thing I see, especially with newer traders, is they don't zoomed out. They're constantly like this, and they're like, oh, I don't know. It's up, it's looking wiki. I don't know. Oh, we're gonna sell off, right? They're constantly so zoomed in that they don't take a deep breath and just look out, right? Zoom out, look left. I promise you, if you put that in your rule book, if you have it tattooed on you, if you post it around your wherever you trade, zoom out look left. Promise you that is going to help you in any type of trading that you are doing, whether it's SPY or any kind of individual name that you're trading. If you just zoom out and look left, guys, I promise you, one, you'll have less anxiety while you trade. You'll have more confidence in the trades that you're taking, and you'll actually see, the bigger picture. What is going on? What level are we coming into? What level are we holding as support? Are we rejecting as resistance, right? Where is my supply? Where is my demand? Zoom out, look left, right? So again, SPX, always be watching SPX, big levels, what it's doing will have an impact on SPY. And typically, watching SPX is going to give you that move on SPY. But even if you weren't watching SPX, zoom out, look left. All we did was come into a big demand here from yesterday. Nice little supply demand flip or support resistance flip, whatever you would like to call it. I'm going to call it a supply and demand because it's more of a supply demand. We came down, touched right into it, held, and had our nice, beautiful bounce today. So, guys, quick video, short video. Point of it is watch SPX while you are trading SPY. This is going to help you see how it does. Comment down trades. If you're trading SPY for the week, comment down in the comments below as the week goes on and see how much better you'll be able at doing trading SPY while watching SPX. And guys, zoom out, look left. I promise you it's not going to hurt you. Don't get so zoomed in on the 5 minute on just the intraday time frame, right? Find your supply and demand levels. You'll find your zones. You'll find your support and resistance levels. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Put SPX on your screen while you trade. Zoom out, look left. I love you guys. I know it's short and sweet, but there is the big secret to trading SPY. I'll see you guys next time on another trade recap. Have an amazing night.